Lily and Francis were in the Indian stool like Pip and Emma for the Northwestern. Were at Carvin's gate. They spotted dolgoch. It was humming a Christmas carol. 'Tis the season to be jolly, pa la 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 la. Tell me now, like a apparel, la 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 do do do. Well, hello there, said Francis. What you seeing there, buddy? Oh, the dolls. Wait a minute. You're gonna look like Pip and Emma. And I suppose we do, said Francis. What's your name, fella? Oh, I'm Dolgoch. I'm from the Thailand Railway. I don't actually live here in the Scullery. Oh, I'm Lili. We're on passenger duty, as usual. I can see that, said Dolgoch. It's very nice to meet you both. You, like I said, you definitely look like Pip and Emma. That's very nice when you have friendly diesels like them around. Do you see diesels like us or them from where you're from, sir lady? A bit. We see warships. We do see standard gauge engines. In fact, the passenger trains bring us the passengers if they come by rail. Well, by car, said Francis. A truck. I get the picture, you two. But yeah, we do see standard gauge engines. Oh, how quaint, said Francis. What's your railway like? Well, we used to have a quarry, said Dolgoch. Used to, said Francis. Lily, what happened? Well, it closed down many years ago. Now our line is a preservation line. But me and a few others were the first strangers on the Thailand Railway. Our number 3 in Valor, Edward Thomas and Sir Hayden joined us after the railway was preserved in 1951. Huh, said Francis. So how many engines work on your railway nowadays? A bit less than this railway, said Dolgoch. But we take turns with the passengers. We have a maintenance diesel called mainline. He's a friendly chap. And then there's Alf and a few others, so we're pretty much happy. Now that's a bit. Oh, said Francis, that's the car's whistle. We gotta go. Goodbye, viewers, said Dolgoch. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Da, da, da.